Hello guys, welcome to another great tutorial about Java. In this video we're going to install or upgrade, depending on your situation, the new version of Java. In order to do that, we're just going to download an early access building from JDK, java.net. Be aware, this is not the release version. In other words, this is not the final product. Also, OpenJDK 12 is completely free. Okay, to start our download, just going to open our browser and navigate to, just go to jdk.java.net/12, and here we go. But before I jump into the installation process, I'm going to show you a very simple thing. If you are using Java 11 like myself, if you go here, if you open your command prompt and if you type Java for version, you're going to see that I'm on Java 11. So as you can see, we're just going to upgrade to Java 12, right? Just close that up and let's jump into it. So here we're going to download this build. Okay, you just select here on the zip file. I'm not going to do that, but you have to do it. Just download into your machine and let's install. So basically my download is here. We're just going to double click there and we're going to select JDK 12 and we're going to extract to a folder. You guys select a folder as you like, but here for simplicity I'm going to the pretty standard one. So I'm going to select program files and then I'm going to select Java, and there we go. You guys, you can see I've got already some versions down there, so I'm just going to select that and extract all the files from this version, and in the meantime I'm just going to open it up. So let's browse it to it, see program files, and now Java, and you got now here JDK 12. This is where we should keep our Java versions, right? So we already did that, so let's jump into it. So we now need to, set our system variables. In order to do that, we're just going to type system, here we go, edit system environment variables. You're just going to click on that icon, and now we have, let me put that on down. Now we have here all these advanced settings. What we want to check is basically the environment variables. All right, let's change our system variables to have our JDK 12 working. So guys, if you don't have that system variable, I invite you to copy that one. You give that the variable name and you set to where your installation of JDK is, right? I'm going to change that now. Instead of 11, I want to change to 12 because it's pretty much where I have that installed. So I'm just gonna click OK now. The next variable you need to change is the path. See that one? You just click on edit, and now we have here program files Java JDK 11 bin. If you don't have that, just create a new and you can just do that. Okay, I'm not gonna do that because I've got that already. What I'm gonna do is just change this simple value. I'll invite you guys to keep it your system cleanup fine, and you will be able to migrate from Java versions that easily. So now I press OK, and I'm gonna press OK once again, and I'm going to open the command prompt, and now if I type now Java version, you guys can see now I'm on JDK 12. All right, that's what you guys need to do. Pretty simple steps. Doesn't matter which version you are, you just follow the steps and you're going to have your JDK set to version 12. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, take care, peace.